I'm going to show you how you can program the parking brake, electronic parking brake in this vehicle to apply automatically whenever the ignition is turned off. And oops, 1 second, please. So as I was saying, what you're going to want to do first is make sure that the ignition is on or the vehicle is on the drive-ready state. Make sure you're in park. Parking brake is on. And then at that point, make sure your feet are off the pedals. Then, at this point, pull and hold up until you hear some beeps. Then let go and pull up again. You want to do that in quick succession because it'll time out after 1 second once you release the switch. And those last 2 beeps indicate that the parking brake will now automatically apply whenever the car is turned off. That's the only time it does it. The only other time it will do it is if you have brake hold on. That's regardless of this setting, but in the context of this is what I'm saying. It won't automatically apply if you put it in park and exit the vehicle while it's idling, like some other manufacturers would do. But anyway, just to demonstrate, got the car in park. Parking brake's not set. Turn off the ignition. Now it's set. And if you want to undo this feature for any reason, which there really is no need to, you would just do the exact same procedure until you hear one long solid beep. So you'd pull up till you hear those fast beeps, then let go and pull up again. You'd hear one long beep, and then you're out of automatic parking brake mode.